get in with it. Alright. Maybe I'll change weapons of this. By the way, this game is called Gunfight Arena. Not very good at this. Alright, go. Usually I'm killing people left and right. Can't get in the zone. It's hard. It's like my second time playing it. So where's that one little sneaky guy? Maybe I should just be a little snipe. If I can get over here without being killed, and go up here, I can chuck grenades. Well, that was kind of cool. Grenade inbound. That exploded right there. Look at that. What do you get down? Yes, I killed him. This is good.
Did I win? I think I won.
Woo! Don't worry about that. That's just friend in the background. Did have a YouTube channel. He did have a YouTube channel. Did have a YouTube channel, but I can mess it up and get demonetized. And you can't pay for that type of stuff. And by the way, guys, this would very much help me if you gave me, if you got me to. Okay. Yep. We're just gonna take a pause for a minute here. There we go. Back. These people are pretty good, but they're not as good as me. When I'm in my zone. When I'm in, I'm in. People will never kill me. Oh, yep, forget about it. Run out into the open. My main technique, just running. This is very hard.
Make sure to subscribe to Mr. Dino Boy.
Okay, it's very weird. I'll just take it. So make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 18 subscribers to beat my friend, Mr. Bouncy 14. Seriously, it's my friend.
Oh,
Dang! Oh, I did pretty good that round. 4 tags.
Dude, Mr. Dino Boy, you gotta play Beat Bar. You gotta.
I'm not good at it. I played it before.
Yeah, but why you think that's working like that?
Although how I'm making this video, I just can't be bothered just to make it. I'm just watching my own channel as well. No, literally. I really wish I got comments. Right, everyone leave a comment to say how many times I died in this. It's experience. Snipe. That person. What she killed them. I'm pretty good at this game, I would say. I'm just sprinting all around. Ladder. Hello, Graham. Hey, one-shot me! Strange people. I just want to turn down the music. This is copyrighted. There's a big group of people. I'll just be like, and they're all dead. Cause I'm really good. But there ain't no big group of people right now. There's only 10 groups. There's only one person. I need like the whole team just to be in a big group. That's how I. Oh. Sniping technique. What? Hey, you got. Oh, of course, you got a new gun. This game has some weird music. I don't think you guys can hear the music in this game, but yeah, strange. Like, chill. Chill, it's a game. What should I call you? What should I call you? You don't want your name being told. What's it? There he is. Oh gosh, he is. Oh, 2 people in a row! Die! Die! That was pretty good. Double barrel. I have a double barrel, but it's really bad. Hey.
Sorry.
Watch the bed.
Sorry.
He's still there. So he is. He's dead! He just went flying! Oh no, my screen. I'm playing on mobile, everyone. Just to say. It's very hard, this. I'm very much used to mobile because that's literally, that's my main user for YouTube, mobile. But I'm nowhere as near good on any other device than mobile. A P90, come on! You gotta be running around with one of these guns or else you're not good at the game. This is literally one of the starter guns. What is it? I'm not sure. Yep, I've got a pistol. Who's the best one me? Oh, it's a pistol! Die! I killed him with a pistol. I think I'm just free. Yeah, I'm not very good at this game. Yep, I know. You said for your birthday or something you'll get one. What's in 75 days? Kidding, it's in 2 years. Where's my grenade? Oh, there it is. That scared me. Of course he killed me. Surprise attack. Coming outside. From the behind! Yep, they got me from the behind. Grenade! I think that might get them. More people look like that. Look at my ammo. Damn it, I was out of ammo. I still have tons of ammo. Weird machine. You just smashed your head against the wall.
Sorry.
Oh.
No.
It's funny. But what? How do I start up here? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Kill me. Die! I'm just trying to do my normal gameplay. I don't really talk much. Now from, but let's get in. Something up there. This guy's from behind me. Damn it, they're all in shields. Okay. You can tell me. You can tell me. I got.
No, it's like a secret behind the view.
Okay, guys, I'll just pause right here. You need to tell me something. Right now, we're back. Let's go. I was just thinking of new video ideas.
He's right. Epic gaming video now.
Epic. Well, we are doing epic gaming. Well, I am. You should all join sometime. You don't really play anymore. These force fields. Alright, they're gonna be like that. I'm bringing out a force field.
So how long the video got left?
Tons. I'm just gonna keep going for a bit.
It's got low battery, mate. This house.
Yeah.
So it's got to be done. It's got to be done quick, mate. Unfortunately.
Okay. Damn it. People are good. That was literally my Christmas Eve box.
Alright.
My parents are very nice. Very, very nice. I could have had that gun. You just like to destroy my house. But to be honest, you do bang your head against tables. So I think it's something you kind of like. Yep, of course, a rocket launcher has to come. I'm no longer in the system. Shining out of it. Boom, 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 boom.
No way, guys, watching the president.
What?
He's up the president.
What's the problem? That's how this works. Yep, my friend will probably be talking while I'm just gonna be gaming. So say anything you want. Say hi. I talk about random stuff. You do it. You do.
What are you playing?
Gunfight Arena. I've already told the viewers that. What? You just talk on about stories or anything?
Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Alex, and he absolutely loved Marvel. So he went out with his action figures, Spider-Man and Iron Man. So when he went out, he started fighting with them. And what he did next was absolutely amazing. It changed his life forever. So he went outside and played and played and played. And this man came up to him and said, "Get in my van and I'll give you some sweets." And then he said, "Oh, I don't like sweets in my diet." So he stopped, so he didn't go. That was the thing that changed his life. 22 years later, he was a fully grown man. Alex is 28 years old. The next day, he went outside again with a massive bowl of broccoli. He ate that and he came out with his action figures next. An hour later, he went in to play on his Xbox. He was playing Minecraft. And then he got bored, so he built his action figures, Spider-Man and Iron Man. The next day, he invited his friends over to play on Minecraft. But then his friends destroyed what he built. So 1 week later, he came up with a plan. And then when he came up with a plan, it was fully done. He went over to his friend's house and said, "Hi, can I come in please?" He said yes. He came in, and then an hour later, they were building Lego. And as soon as they were done, he destroyed it, and it was a Death Star. And then he went back home, and it was never friends again. The end.
Alright, so that should be the end of this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Peace. Peace out. And oh, my camera is not working. Alright, peace.